Hi there! You want to learn Chinese in an easy and funny way? This is the right place. I'm Julie, and you are on Good Study. By the end of this video, you will be able to speak more than 20 new Chinese words or expressions. Watch until the end. I created a quiz, so you can test your new knowledge. Let's go! 节日，节日，节日快乐，节日快乐，祝你节日快乐，祝你节日快乐。新年，新年，新年快乐，新年快乐。祝你新年快乐，祝你新年快乐。元旦，元旦，元旦快乐，元旦快乐。祝你元旦快乐，祝你元旦快乐。庆祝新年，庆祝新年。烟花，烟花。新年礼物，新年礼物。测验， A. 庆祝新年 B. 节日快乐 C. 新年快乐。A. 元旦 B. 节日 C. 烟花。A. 新年礼物 B. 元旦快乐 C. 祝你节日快乐。Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click like and don't forget to subscribe. 谢谢。